Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be talking about iOS 11.3.1. It just recently got announced probably a couple minutes ago. So staying up with these videos, guys. So basically, guys, all this update really does is one, improves your security on your iPhone or iPad. That's what it says on here. And also it addresses basically, so if you guys did not know, when you repair an iPhone, some devices like iPhone 8s and iPhone 7s like that, if they get replaced by a non-genuine Apple screen, like a third-party screen, so if you get your phone fixed at like a third-party repair shop, just because it's like a little bit cheaper, sometimes the phone does actually not work, like the touchscreen is inactive and it does not work. And I'm pretty sure Apple made it like that to avoid third-party repair shops in the first place, because obviously they don't want it to go to third-party repair shops. They want to fix it and they want to get the money for the repair. So honestly, that is kind of selfish in my opinion, because everyone should be able to fix their phone if they want to get it fixed by whatever screen or whatever. But the screens for a third-party shop are not that great in the first place. The quality on them is not the best. Like Apple screens are. Obviously you get an Apple screen right when you get your iPhone. You don't get like a knockoff screen. You should honestly get another Apple screen, because the quality on the Apple screens are obviously going to be the best and way better than knockoff screens. So basically what this update does is fix that, so now you can use third-party screens on your phone now. So I guess it's a pretty cool thing. It also says it improves security on your iPhone or iPad. I don't really know what that really means. Yeah guys, that's pretty much all it really does. So if you're a repair shop, congratulations. If you don't really care, I would not, like, if you don't have your broken phone or something like that, it doesn't really matter for you because your phone's not broken. So yeah, but anyways guys, that has been the video. I know it's a short one, but I just wanted to let you guys know about it. It's out right now, so update it if you want to. And if you don't want to, then I don't know why you wouldn't. But anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace.